Hey team, today we're going to be building the foundations for dodging in the game of lacrosse. We have 3 different movements we're going to be working on: the jab step, the face dodge, and the split dodge. Stay with me here, we're going to get a warm-up. For our warm-up here, I'm going to have you stay stationary. From this position, we are just practicing split dodges across the face. Across the face, opposite side. Good, try to rotate your shoulder with the split dodge, tossing the stick across your face. Good, let's go 2 more. Last one. And relax. Next, we're going to go swim. Stick stays vertical. We're coming up and over to the other side and switching hands. Good. Awesome. Make sure the stick is vertical up and down. It's getting over the defender's stick. 2 more. I'm going to shut it down in 3, 2, 1. Good. Shut it down. Now we're going to go into arms up overhead. From this position, we're crossing opposite knee to elbow. Start with a march. Kind of match me with my speed right here. We'll go slow. This is the same exact rotation that you are going to need when you are sprinting with the ball in your stick. It does not matter whether you have the stick in your hand or don't. We're rotating into the side that's knee is driving up. Good. Let's go up a little bit. Faster here. Try to find that timing, that rhythm. Good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Next one, we got pogos. For pogos, each time you hop, we're into a power cradle. Bicep curl. Good, let's go 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's switch sides. Same exact thing on the opposite. Arms going straight to bent. Good, getting a nice warm up. We're warming up not only our body, we're also warming up our mind. Stay focused, locked in here. Let's go 2 more. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, if you need to grab a quick sip, now's the time. We're moving into our next. Next thing we got here, we're going to focus on our jab step. Foundations of the jab. Right now, stick is in my right hand, so let's go strong hand. As I take a step towards my right side, I'm jabbing my stick in that direction. You want to think you're taking your wrist and snapping it back and down with your movement here, and you're also taking your shoulder and rotating it with your jab step. All right, let's go about 10 here. I'll switch us on the cue. All right, so stick in your strong hand. Let's go jab step, same side. Awesome. Flow. Focus on your timing, your rhythm. Good, let's go 2. I'm going to shut it down in 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Let's switch sides. Now stick is going to be in the opposite hand, same side we were stepping. Good. Find it. Snapping that wrist down. Awesome. Stay with that. Good. We're going to rotate 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're back to our strong hand. From this position, we're going to go jab step across body. 2 ways you could do this. You could either stay horizontal or you could stay vertical. Ready? We'll take it up in 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Good. Each time you're taking a step forward, not lateral, forward. Good. Let's go 3 more. 3, 2, 1, and relax. We'll switch sides. Stick should be in your non-dominant hand. Same thing, opposite side step, bringing the stick across in that direction. 2 ways you could do it. You could either stay vertical or you could go horizontal. Good. Couple more, team. Last one. I'm going to shut it down in 3, 2, 1. Shut it down. Next, we're going to go into our split dodge or face dodge to start. So face dodge is going to be essentially a jab step the opposite side, and we're going to take a step across. So 2 steps on the face dodge. Stick is in my right hand here. I'm going to take a step with my opposite. So if you're going lefty here, you just take a step with your opposite leg. So butt and leg side. 1, 2. Reset. 1, 2. Listen to the music flow and rotate your shoulders with your step. Remember, you could either go jab step where you're staying horizontal, or you could go vertical. Cross back. Stick still goes in that same direction. Good team. Couple more. I'm going to shut it down in 3, 2, 1. Time. Let's switch sides. Same thing. Now the stick's going to be in your opposite hand. We're going across and back. 1, 2. 1, 2. Rotate the shoulders. One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 more. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2, and relax. All right, so that's our jab step into our face dodge. That's going to be the foundation of all of our other movements. Next, what we're going to go into is our split dodge. So stick is going to start in your dominant side. From here, we're going to take a jab and split. So it's still going to be 2 steps. 2 steps, 2 cradles. It's going to be a jab in the same direction, same side as our top hand, and then a split across our face. Make sure you're rotating your shoulders. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. 5 more. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Let's go 2. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. I'm gonna shut it down in 3, 2, 1. Awesome work. Let's switch sides. Now we're gonna go left. Same thought philosophy. Jab, split across. Ready? We'll take it up in 3, 2, 1. Let's work. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Snap that wrist down. Rotate the shoulders. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. A couple more. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. 2. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. Awesome. Now we're going to piece those together. All right, so last final round here, we're going to go into our jab steps across, into our split. This is going to be the final round of our sequencing. Let's set up here. It's going to be a 1, 2, and a 3 across. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Reset. We can switch sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's go 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Flow with the music. Couple more here. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Last one. 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3. And one more. 1, 2, 3. And reset. If you want a dodging progression program that's going to elevate your game, it doesn't matter what age you are. You could be 10 years old, you could be 5 years old, you could be 20 years old. You can benefit from this dodging progression that's going to elevate your stick work. It's going to make you more timely. And then we piece together strength training so that you could be more explosive off the dodge. We build your athlete and we build your stick skills. We work on stick skills so we got good movement and fluency. We build your athlete so that off of your movements, you're creating space and separation. And then we study film and we watch what the best are doing so that you can elevate your game. If this program is something that sounds like it's exciting to you, if it sounds like it's something that's going to take your game to the next level and you're ready to be committed, you're ready to be focused, and you're ready to learn, apply, and grow, shoot me a message. My number is 513-519-4267. You could contact me through email, jake.coach6@gmail.com, or reach out to me through Instagram DM at Coach Jake Murphy through DM. And we'll schedule a call, we'll talk about a plan, and we'll take your game to the next level together.